Hello, in this video I'll show you how to make a king in Infinity Craft. Now, it's a very easy process. So what you have to do is firstly open your browser. In order to make king, firstly add water, then fire, then another one, add wind and add fire. And after that, add earth, then again a wind, and after that again another earth. That will create your planet. Now just simply add water to your smoke, then add fog to your planet. That will create Venus. Now just simply add Venus to the steam and that will create life. Now once you have life, just simply add earth and that will create a human. Now once you have a human, add water, then earth, then another water. After that add earth, then fire. That will create a brick. Now just simply add another brick. That will create a wall. Now add another wall and add brick onto that wall. Now add another wall onto the house. That will create a castle. Now just simply add the castle to the human. That will create the queen. And once you have the queen, just simply add another one. That will create the king. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.